Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix blank white icons here in your desktop screen. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first step that we need to do is we need to open Run. Okay, so at your keyboard, press Windows key or R key together, or you can simply do a right click at the start icon and go for Run. In the small window, type App Data. Okay, so make sure that all the letters are in lowercase. Okay, app data. Then once done, click on OK to proceed. Okay, so once you're here, you will be able to see three file folders, which are local, localo, and roaming. And if in case you don't see any of this, go for view, which is here, and go for show, and make sure that this hidden items is checked. Okay, so just have to click on check and you'll be able to see this. Okay. Now here's the thing you need to open Localo. Click on it. And here you need to scroll down and find icon cache. Okay. So you can see here icon cache next to virtual store. Now here you need to delete this by simply clicking shift to delete. Okay. So once done, check your desktop if the problem has been fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the last and second to the second and last step, which is to do a right click here and we need to go for task manager. Then simply scroll up to go for task manager, click on it. Okay. So once you're here at the task manager, just expand it and here you need to look for Windows Explorer. Okay. So if in case you don't see Windows Explorer here under the apps, then scroll down and go for this background processes and locate your Windows Explorer. Okay, so in my case, I have here next to Task Manager. Okay, so just have to click this, do a right click, and go for restart. Okay, so once you restart it, you just have to restart your computer and your issue will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.